Yeah, my name's Tim McGee, and this is the last CVO Road King that they made. It's the 2014 CVO Road King. I call it the last edition. And it's my daily rider. I ride it quite a bit, at least 5,000–6,000 miles a year.
What all have you done to it, Tim?
Not a dadgum thing.
Well, I thought you had some mods put on it.
No, this is original as they come. This comes out of Harley CVO division, which stands for Custom Vehicle Operations. That's where you get the more expensive paint jobs and everything.
Okay.
And this is an original CVO. It hasn't been touched.
Awesome.
This one, that's a 76 CB750 and Canon Cafe Racer sauce a little bit. Jim here, we worked together on the bike, and he was the man behind the bike.
I'm the mechanic, I guess.
What all has been done to it?
It was pretty clean to begin with. It didn't run worth a darn. It turned out to be a bad coil.
Bad coil.
And then some of the exhaust pieces were rusty and such. We found
It's a 1981 Honda 500CX. It's the deluxe model. It comes with a factory bag, factory engine guards. And it's got a little different paint scheme and a different seat than the other ones do. That's basically the upgrade pieces.
Not Bonneville, but disguised as a Tiger because of the single carburetor. And I've had it for about 8 years, and always doing a little bit along with it as I go. I put the mags in the Corbin seat, and it runs really good. It runs real good. And it's pretty oil tight. I do have it for sale. It's got the I don't want to sell it, but I will price. It's got a Mikuni, so I just put the choke on. And
Tom, how you doing?
pull the clutch in, get it down to right about there, and we'll click up.
This is a 1983 CL650 Honda Interstate. It's the only year they made the 650 Interstate, and it has the modular construction where this trunk and the components in the front of the motorcycle can all be changed out in just a matter of seconds.
A 2023 Royal Enfield 650 INT, made in India, and 650. It's about 42 horsepower, 5-speed. It's got Bosch fuel injection Brembo brakes, all of Indian manufacture, and it gets about, if you override it like I frequently do, it gets about 45 miles a gallon, 50. But if you're easy on it, it gets about 75 miles a gallon. So it's a good little bike.
How long have you owned it?
I've owned it for about, I've owned this one since it was new, but I had a 2019 model also. So I have about 5 years experience with Royal Enfield. And I've owned 3 of them, and they're great.
My buddy Dan here.
This is my best friend James. He's my professional rider of this bike, and we call him not Captain America, but we call him Captain Alabama.
Captain Alabama.
He's a likeness of Peter Fonda, and he's the one driving his bike mostly. We're going to shoot a video in the future of him driving the bike. He's my main man.
That's so funny, watching her face.
All over now.
kill himself. Nobody tried. Oh,
See you with your money in your hand.
Cafe Racer this time.
Cafe Racer.
So that's
JO3.
small Japanese.
These are the big Japanese. Yeah. So you're at the dividing line. Yeah.
That carburetor is still good.
Everything's so tight.
You don't have no frame.
Yeah.
Oh, the engine's stressed.
yeah, I know which company you're talking about. Sucker Punch Sound.
Yeah, they're Jesse book type. They just sold it like you did. Nope, that's what it was.
Yeah, you can buy them and they just send you the whole swing arm, everything kit.
Finally got it right on the Heritage Softail. Oh, it's overwhelming. I've never been to anything like that in my life. I've been to rallies. Pretty bikes here.
Yep. There's a bike show going on right here. Ain't it?
Exactly. I'm going to get all of these guys. Well, you couldn't have asked for a more beautiful day. I don't usually ask you this, but if you'd subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying to get the amount of subscribers on the channel up so I can get more views on my videos. YouTube seems to be throttling me down. But other than that, you ride safe, and we'll see you down the road.